Yeah. Okay, start.
Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon to Sir Shahrizal. My name is Muhammad Fidaus Amin and my partner is Hazri Kushairi. We are from Group 4. We present about Lab 3. So for the first part is for the differentiate up and differentiate down. So this is our circuit. I will run the simulation. Mhm. So if you can see here, when I turn on the switch, so for the differentiate up, the circuit will connect perfectly. This is because differentiate up will connect the circuit when the input carrier or input signal receive the bit 1. So when I turn on the switch, it will receive bit 1 here. But for the differentiate down, you can see when I turn off the switch, so the differentiate down will connect. This is because differentiate down will connect the circuit when it receive the input 1 and the input 0. So input 0 it receive when we turn off the switch. So you can see the circuit connect. So the reason this one is connect to because of the latching here. So that's for differentiate up and differentiate down. So now I will go for interlock, which is our second procedure. Wait. So this is our interlock circuit. I will run the simulation. Okay, you can see I will turn on the switch, all switches. Okay, this is nothing. So you can see when I turn on the switch, the inside also gonna turn on. And even when I wait, when I turn off the main switch, you can see the circuit inside the interlock is completely connect, but it doesn't show out the output, which means that it's not performed. This is because for interlock, the power that come inside the interlock, we can consider it as the main power. So even the circuit inside interlock section is connect perfectly, but the main power doesn't have any input. So the circuit inside the interlock section we cannot operate. So we can use this as a safety. So that's all for interlock section. For the next section, which is jump, I will give to Kushairi. Hazri?
For jump instruction is another version of interlock instruction, which is uh, when we turn on the jump instruction and others input, it receive the signal from the jump and enable the circuit to perform a indicator light. But and even we close the jump instruction and the others input, the indicator still on because the jump instruction are given energized for the indicator light. Okay. Then for the
Wait.
exercise lab 3, I will share. Okay. Okay.
Mm, wait. For the exercise. Jap. Belum. Oh, ada. So you can see here when we turn on the push button one and when we release. Okay, we release the push button. So the motor will spin. You can see there. And it will delay 10 seconds before it turn off automatically. 10 seconds, then it will off. So we can also use our PB2 as our emergency stop button. You can see here when we start the program, and we completely can off the circuit. So that one is for our emergency stop button.
Okay, for the details I will explain, but for the differentiate down is it active when it enable 0 or falling S position. Okay, the off and keep another set of latching circuit from the usual latching, which is keep is energized for the contact 100 for the latching circuit, and timer uh, generate 10 second downtime to energize for the motor spin for 10 second,
Second.
and then push button 2 for the reset button of the keep instruction.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, reset the keep instruction, and the motor and the others running circuit are off. Okay,
Yeah.
that's all for us to explain about this lab 3. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay.